right, it's 8:30 in the morning and the camera is packed and ready to go. We're going to Revelstoke to do some mountain biking, which is actually kind of crazy considering I actually broke my leg a little over 2 months ago. And it's kind of weird because I can ride a bike really well, but I still struggle to walk and lift weight. So it's gonna be kind of weird. I'm gonna have to take it easy, but it's gonna be a super sick trip. Gonna be going with my buddy John. He's a great guy and he's an absolutely sick rider. Gonna be meeting up with my buddy Justin and Nick. Those guys are savages. And oh yeah, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be a good trip. So I'm just waiting on John to get here. He's gonna be here probably in about the next half hour or so, and then we're gonna be making our way all the way to Calgary. Oh man, I'm so hyped. It's gonna be such a good time. All right, so John just arrived in his nice truck, so we're just gonna put last up things in his car and we're gonna be out of here. Gotta love the mountains through here, eh?
Beautiful day. Just left Canmore on our way to Revelstoke.
Picked up some new merch. I got a hat, you got a helmet, and some. I think we both got shoes, eh?
Yeah, we both got shoes. I got a helmet and 2 pairs of shorts.
Oh yeah. We're all kitted, ready to go.
We broke the bank.
Yeah, a little bit, definitely a little bit pricey, but hey, you're out here, right?
Yeah. Save the tax.
Save the tax.
Yeah, 20% off.
Gotta love Alberta.
Ready to rip some DH bikes.
Oh, I'm so stoked.
Have a jolly good time.
Oh yeah. Hang out with Justin, such a good guy. Absolute maniac, Nick.
Yeah, we get to see it all.
Oh yeah. Get unloaded, gonna go through Rogers Pass. That's always a fun pass. It's gorgeous through in the summer. It's a little bit less scary than in the winter.
Yeah, much easier going in the summer.
Oh yeah.
Stress relief. Let's go.
Yep. Peace out. Freaking wheelie machine over here, man. Ew. So we arrived at Justin's place and man, did it feel good to be out here. Honestly, a month ago, I did not expect to be riding my bike at all, let alone be in BC on a bike trip. I was so stoked. So with the hype being real, we decided to do a quick tune-up on our bikes and blow off some steam by having a quick session on the little jump that Justin set up. Woo. Yeah, feeling solid. Let's go rip some trails. Hey, yeah. Ooh, it's dark in here. There we go. Bit of a climb. Oh, fuck you. Look at him just pedaling away.
It's okay though, he doesn't have as much fun as us on the way down.
That's true. Okay, let's get her. You know, next. Woo. Woo. Little Freaky going in line. Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Freaking huge. I was flying through there. Oh yeah. Dude, found it. That was good.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
I hit one drop.
Yeah. This one's what, 5?
I landed deep off that.
You did. You landed like way down there. I can see your mark. Went big. Oh yeah. Oh man, it feels so good to be back on the bike. Just giving her.
Those 2 bigger trees and film me.
Where does it go?
Oh yeah. What do you mean? Like where there's that platform there?
Yeah, where it's kind of leveled up there.
Yeah. We'll see if I can shimmy down there. Actually, John, I'm gonna get you to go. Woo! Woo! Yeah, boys. Oh, that was so good. That was good. Woo! Oh, I'm so hyped, dude. It's gonna be a good week. It's gonna be so sick. Beer time? Revelstoke has got to be my favorite place on the planet. The riding here is insane. Summer or winter, it doesn't matter. It is always a good time. Unfortunately, it did get dark on us pretty quick, but that's alright, because tomorrow we're going to the Revelstoke Bike Park, and it's going to be insane. Couldn't wait till tomorrow.